Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a fantastic recipe, zesty zucchini and shrimp egg pancakes. Let's jump right in. First, take those fresh zucchinis, give them a good wash, and grate them into fine shreds. Now, here's the trick. Add a pinch of salt to the bowl of shredded zucchinis. Mix it all in and let them soak up that salty goodness for about 5 minutes. When you spot some liquid at the bottom of the bowl, use cheesecloths to wring out the excess moisture. Let's not forget the star of the show, the shrimp. Give them a good rinse, peel them, and finally chop them. Toss these little flavor bombs into the zucchinis. Now crack those eggs and season everything with a bit of chicken powder. Give it all a good mix and you're ready to hit the pan. Preheat your trusty electric griddle and spoon out the zucchini and egg mixture. Cook these little beauties over low heat. Once both sides have a lovely golden hue and they're cooked through, it's time to dig in. And there you have it, a plate of scrumptious zesty zucchini and shrimp egg pancakes, hot and ready to enjoy. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for tuning in and I'll catch you next time.